All right, last one.
All fun and games until the Sandcast collapsed on New Year's Eve in New Zealand. These people built a sandcastle island, complete with a picnic table when the tide was out, so that when the tide came back, they would have their own private island and therefore not be subject to the local liquor ban. Good job, New Zealand.
That's creative.
I think it's just fun. They made this. This is like a fun activity to do with your friends.
The key part here, Will, is you have to scroll down a little further. Don't worry about Otis. Just scroll down a little further. You forgot the best part. Public drinking has been banned in the entire Coromandel area, and violators could have faced fines up to $250. However, the construction attracted admiration from the police, with Inspector John Kelly commenting, "That's creative thinking. If I had known about it, I would probably have joined them." The police officer appreciated their ingenuity.
Yeah.
And instead of harassing them, he wished that he could have taken part.
That's a tight island, though.
It's a tight island. I mean, they're having a party.
Yeah.
And when you're having a party and you're having a good time, Will, you can put up with some...
Yeah, you don't really care about that stuff.
You can put up with this little bit of discomfort.
Sure.
Because you're doing something with your pals.
Yeah.
You're having a time. And you've done something that no one's done before. In this case, with your sand castle. You're sitting on top of your sand castle, which is not something I've ever done with a sand castle. Maybe somebody else has done it. They've done it.
Yeah.
Good job, New Zealand. Good job to everybody who's joined us here today. I appreciate you going with us on this ride. This is and always will be an imperfect ride. There will be ups and downs. Expect the ups and downs. Expect the fact that Willie Dew could snap at any moment like he did in this episode.
Don't test me.
I hope he didn't offend anybody. I hope nobody was uncomfortable with the degree of rage that he brought to the show in relationship to NFTs and his opinion on such matters. I hope nobody was bodied by the amount of intensity he brought to the subject. I know some people expect a very calm episode. I know some people, sometimes they like to fall asleep to shows like this. So I apologize on behalf of Willie Dew for elevating things to a degree, to a volume level, the people that are just not used to.
Yeah. Shout out, everyone.
Thanks for joining. I'm joking around. Trust me, he knows it. Thanks, everybody, for joining. Thanks for all the super chats. See you. Are we seeing him tomorrow?
Yes.
See you tomorrow.